Hi students, welcome to the lecture series on data structures. In this video we are going to discuss how to delete an element from a particular array. Okay, so we are starting. Our programming language is C++ and we are making use of class. So my class name is ArrayImpl, and inside the main I have created an object AR, using which I am calling the two methods ar.createArray and ar.del. So these are my two methods which I have mentioned in my class. So inside the class I am having two sets of variables or members, private member as well as public member. My variables that I am using is used as private members because they should be allowed to access only inside the particular class. Now my methods create array and del, they are mentioned as public so that they can be called using the object. Now what happens in create array is it will prompt you to enter the size of the array and enter the elements of the array. So in the first statement it's prompting you for the size and that value will be stored in variable n. Next you will be prompted to input the elements, and finally it will be displaying all the inserted elements using the for loop. Now the actual working takes place in this method del. Del function may ask you to enter the position from where you want to delete the data or element. So the input is stored in the variable p. Now I have stored this value from p into another variable indx because imagine you want to delete fourth element of your array. As we all know, index of an array will start from 0. So fourth element will be present at the index number 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. So fourth element will be present at the index number 3. So we are going to use this variable indx for our further processing. Okay, now I want to show which is the element that is deleted, and that value arr index will be stored in variable x, and that x I am going to display. So that one step is completed. I have displayed what element was deleted. Now how the array is getting adjusted, that is happening here. So considering this example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are my elements and I want to delete this third element. So what I am deleting is this 3. Okay, now what my objective is, I have to shift 4 to the place of 3, 5 to the place of 4 and 6 to the place of 5. Okay, so that is exactly what's happening here. So whatever content is there in I plus 1th position, that is stored inside variable I, that is index number I. So as an example, the content of 3 is now 4, which was previously I plus 1. So that is what's happening here. Now the content of index number 4, that is 5, is shifted to the position of 4 and 6 will be shifted to the position of 5. So that is what's happening here. The content of index position I plus 1 is shifted to the index number of I, and then we will display our array which is having the contents of size n minus 1. The reason here is we have deleted one element, so there is a loss of one element. So we have reduced the size from I equal to 0 to n minus 1, and we will be displaying the array elements one by one using this for loop. So this is how we are actually deleting the element from an array. So the main logic is start from the position, index position where you want to delete. From that towards the end of the array, shift all the elements towards the left side one by one. Okay, so this is all about deleting an element in an array. Stay tuned, because in our next video we are going to execute this program and see how the output looks like. Thank you all.